Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create an interactive classroom using Google Slides without downloading any apps. I started making one for a gym teacher, so I'm going to show you how I started to make that on a regular Google Slide. So you just open up the presentation, okay, and then I'm going to put, oh there we go. We'll just put practice for presentations. Okay, so what I first do is I clear out these boxes, backspace, they're text boxes. Okay, and then you're going to pick your background, and I'm just going to pick blue. Okay, and then I'm going to insert an image up from the web. And then what I did was I looked up gym floors. Okay, you pick whatever you want, whichever one looks like closest to your gym. You'd even do this and have blue as your background for the wall. All right, let's put that in. Okay, so you would just shape this so that it looks like a ball and the floor, so however big. Okay, okay, and then to make it look like, you know, that it's real and everything like your classroom, you could insert, you know, let's just say, so we're saying for a gym, it could be a female teacher, it could be a male teacher, but let's just say male, I usually put in cartoon, male, gym teacher, okay? And then you just kind of look for one that's either standing, because if they're standing, it's easier to make it look like they're teaching. And of course, there's none that look presentable here. Okay. So let's put male gym teacher cartoon. I know it sounds crazy. Here we go. He looks like a coach. So it might take you a little bit to find it, but once you do, then you can kind of fit it to your screen and make it so like you're standing there, okay? Like in the gym room. Okay, so then you might want to insert, let's say gym lockers, okay, so that you can put your links in for whatever your videos are that you want the kids to say. They do it on a daily basis, so why keep recreating the wheel here? You can just do it all in one. So gym lockers. Okay, so I might want to put this one. Do we want this one? Let's get the wood there. Let's put this one in, okay? And then I'll show you how to crop it too. Of course, it's probably going to be too big. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so I might put that on the end here, make it look like that's part of it. So now I don't want all this here. I want to cut this out as much as possible so that it's just the locker showing. So I'm going to crop this picture. This one right here shows cropping. And then you just take it and move it to where you want it to cut it off. Okay. And we really can't do too much more to it than that. Okay. Well, maybe up to here. Now it's making it more like it's narrow. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of put this down more so it looks like it's part of this room. Okay? Maybe a little bit more. Maybe a little more. Okay. And it don't have to be perfect, but anyways, so you get the idea. So then what I do is I put insert shape. So you want to make it fit like the lockers. So I'm going to do a rectangle, okay, so that it'll fit the locker, okay? And maybe I want to add, I don't know, let's just do 5 of these so that it'll be the same. So Control C, Control V, and then it'll duplicate the lockers, okay? And you can put them onto the lockers. Well, they're probably not going to fit here, but anyways, you can move them over. Let's move them over here for right now, okay? And then I'll put the link inside each one of them. All right. I think I made too many and they're too big. Some are too big, so you just shape them then. If you need them smaller. Okay. Let's shape it. Put it in here. Put it in here. Okay. Anyways, you get the idea. Don't all have to be on the lockers either. Okay, we're just going to leave these here for a second. Okay. So say you had, every day you have them go on an exercise, the most fun 15-minute cardio, dance, fitness, and you want them to do that every day or every other day or whatever. You just tell them, okay, so today you do this one. Okay. So you're going to copy it, and then you're going to, whoops, we're on the other one. And then you're going to paste it into here after you hit insert. And you put link. Insert link. Sorry, it didn't do it. So we're going to do it again. There we go. Now I'm going to paste it. Paste it into there and apply. So now every time somebody hits this lacquer, they're going to go right into that video. Okay, so say you wanted, I don't know, you could say basketball video rules. Maybe it's rules. You want them to go over certain rules or whatever it is, okay? You would just pick whatever it is you want them to watch, shooting practice or whatever you're working on. That's when you would share it, do the same thing, copy. I'm gonna get out of there so that we don't hear the video. Okay, and you go to the locker where you had it. It might take a second, but you gotta see the cursor. Okay, see where the cursor is? Then you're gonna insert the link, okay? And you're gonna paste it in there and apply. So every time they go to these lockers, that's what they're gonna see, the videos, okay? So maybe we made too many. We'll just delete these, okay? Delete, delete, delete. Now maybe there's some concept or something you're going over that you wanna post a video on there. You could, that you always say the same thing, maybe it's safety in the gym. So let's go to YouTube and then put safety in the gym. Safety in the gym. Okay, so somebody probably posted a video about gym safety. Here we go, right here. Let's, I mean, of course, watch all the videos that you share before you post them. So you're going to copy it.
Hi, I'm Sean Jones II, safety intern, and today I'm getting ready.
And then you go back, like I said, you go into the Make sure the cursor is showing, then you're going to put insert link, and then you're going to put paste and apply. So then say you want to put, and I would insert this too. Let's do an image from the web. You might want to put a smartboard, okay? Smartboard. Put this in here, insert it. You're gonna put it on the wall, so that's kind of perfect, okay? You might make it, just leave it right there. Okay, so then we're gonna insert a shape. Let's do our rectangle like we always do here. Seems to be the shape. Okay, so in here, you might put welcome to whatever PE class, whatever period you have them or whatever, if you're saving it for a class, okay? Welcome to PE class. You might put your name on there. Okay. One thing to remember though is to go to where it says page setup in file. If you're using Schoology, I usually change it to 14 times 9 inches because then it fits the Schoology page. But if you're just doing Google Classroom, I guess it doesn't really matter if you have to, if you want to hit that or not. Whoops, our PE moved. So you can always move this too. Move it back up, okay? So now what I want you to do, say you want to save this as your page. So you want to go into File. You want to make a copy. Say you had an entire presentation. If you wanted the whole presentation, you could do that, or just the selected slide. So we just want this one, okay? So now it's in my drive. Selected slide, okay? So it comes up. And then what you want to do, you can leave that open. And you could go into, wow, this is really slow. Go into Google Drive, my Google Drive. Where's my Google Drive? Okay, Google. It's not letting me into Google Drive here. Okay. Well, anyways, you want to save it. You could just save it this way too. You want to save it, download it as a PNG image, okay? So this way, if you wanted, so that it'll just be available. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's going to be the same thing. You can download the picture into your, if you were in Schoology, that's how you would do it, or you know, just so that you could save it, just this slide, so that your students can always go back to it on Google. Okay, you can save it and try and put it as your background. Okay, and this was another one I was starting to make. So you can make it any way you want. You do not have to download any apps to do this. So this is just a basic how to make a interactive slide on Google. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.